Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 41, Lesson 3 Exercises. Follow along with Exercise 1. Cum aetatis, blank, a word that comes from discernere, intergemenos fieri non posset, necesse fuit Deus, blank, uteriorum in nova urbe regnaret. Okay, when there was no... Here we want the word from to discern, to distinguish. And so when there was no distinction, when no distinction of age was possible to be made between the twins. And that word, discrimen. When no discrimen intergemenos fieri non, when no distinction was able to be made, it was necessary to consult the gods. And that word consult is consultara, or also the new one that we just learned, which is consulere. It was necessary to consult the gods, which of them would reign in the new city. Between the brothers, statutum est, it was established that Romulus would stand on the Palatine, Remus on the Aventine, not stand, but would check the auspices, aves aspiceret, look at the birds. So between the brothers, the word for statutum est, it was established, is convenit, which means to meet together, but also to agree upon, to establish an idea. Remus, so Romulus on the Palatine, Remus on the Aventine would check the auspices. And there's a word for look at birds, and it is auspicaret. Sorry, I missed auspicatur. Oh, it's in an ut clause. Oh, orator. Okay, so it was in an ut clause, so we needed the imperfect subjunctive, and it's a deponent, so it's passive. Remus prior sex blank aspexit. So Remus first saw 6 vultures. But as this was announced, this auspice, which is an auspicium, was announced, twice that number appeared to Romulus, which is duplex. Okay, let's go on to exercise number 8. Here we have practice with words that cumque ending, which means ever. So if you have qui, it means who. If you have qui cumque, it means whoever. And quae and quod follows the same pattern. And like quo, which means to where, to wherever, is like same as quo. And quo cumque tempore, at whatever time, is the same as whenever, quando cumque. And quo cumque loco, in whatever place, the same as ubi cumque, wherever. So practice with this. Aliquis Januam pulsat, someone knocks on the door. The same as whoever it is, let him in. So we have qui cumque. Okay, let's look at our question and answer section. Ubi Romulus et Remus urbem condora constituerunt. Urbem condora constituerunt in loco, in the place, ubi inventi erant, inventi et educati erant, in the place where they had been found and raised. They wanted to establish their new city in iis locis, in those places where they had been exposed. Again, what you should do here is try to give this answer that Orberg did. Even though your answer may be perfectly correct like mine was, we're going to try his style.